everyone, welcome to Korean Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make yum yum sauce. I received some requests for this recipe, but it is not a Japanese sauce actually. It's a famous sauce served at a steakhouse overseas. I think most people in Japan don't know this sauce. Anyway, I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. You need half cup of mayonnaise. You can measure by eye, it doesn't have to be perfectly measured. 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Instead of tomato paste and sugar, you can use 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon of paprika powder. And last but not least, half tablespoon of melted butter. You need this to make the sauce tasty. Mix them all together until smooth. I found on the net that the original sauce is made with tomato ketchup, but I think it is rich and tasty with tomato paste. So if you have tomato paste, please go ahead and use it. And now it's done, easy, right? It lasts for a week in the fridge, but I wouldn't stock too much because it is easy to make with ingredients on hand. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
せーの、いただきます。ここで美味しい。こいつ？
そっちがトマトケチャップ。
ね、こうやってひっくり返してちょんってするの OK？
ひっくり返してちょんだったらいいよ。
ねえね
味濃すぎ。
結構濃いから。
これはさ、普通のケチャップ。
こっちは
本当のソースみたいな。
美味しいそう。
気に入った。
チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタン押してね。バイバイ。100万人お願いします。最初はグーチョマッチョハゲマッチョ。
何それ。
ハゲマッチョ。